We are looking, this is the topic of the hour that we are looking at right now, Dogecoin chart. So you can see we have the sideways consolidation coming in here for a good minute. Now the reason I wanted to make this video is, the question is, are we going to go north from here, or are we going to go south from here? Well, looking at the technicals, we do have a bit of divergence forming, and I will chart that out for you here. As you can see, we have a downward pushing movement right here on the chart. So bearish movement on the chart. However, if we look at the strength index, and I can grab another line here, we start to see this little divergence forming. Okay, we also see it here with lower lows, higher highs, even though we are making lower highs on the chart here. So what does this mean? We have the higher highs here, lower lows here. Okay, we have higher lows and higher highs. Again, same thing on the strength. We have higher highs and higher lows. So all this is pointing towards a possible upward breakout. Now, if we do break out, where are we going? Well, my first target would be the 0.35. Now, if you're just scalping, that's a nice little scalp between 0.32 and 0.35. For the longer term, though, what we can look at is if we see this move back here on the 28th, we see a nice rise. A lot of people called a peak here at 0.25. We then drop down, have a smaller bump here again before we then drop to what some called the bottom at 0.14. But what did we do? We pumped right back up to 0.40. Okay, a lot of people again called that the peak. We dropped 0.27. Again, a lot of people called that the bottom. What did we do? We went from 0.26 all the way up to 0.72. I believe we might have touched 0.8 for a second. No, 0.73 looks like the peak. Okay, and then what did we do? We dropped a little pump. So if this right here is a mirror of this right here, then we have a huge potential upside. You know, we could possibly see, now if this breaks a 0.04, then I think we could possibly see the 0.06 incoming very fast. And if we do break 0.06 with that strong upward momentum, I don't see any reason why that momentum couldn't possibly carry us to the next leg. So if we're looking at this first run was a 2-cent run. This next run here was another 2-cent run. So we have these 2-cent runs from 0 to 2, from 2 up to 4, from 4 up to almost 6, and then almost 8. So we see these 2-cent runs every time we get this upward momentum. So from 3.2, if we can get up to this 5.9 mark, that would be my strong bullish target. Now on the bearish side of things, we need to watch right around here at 0.028. 0.028 is going to be where we have our current resistance. However, you see a lot of stuff is starting to turn up. So I am personally looking for an upside. I'm going to try and grab a scalp here between 0.33 and 0.4. So that is what I'm doing today. Today I am looking for the scalp between 0.33 and 0.4. So that's just a quick entry, quick exit, and then I'm going to get out. So let me know, what do you think is going to happen with Doge? What do you think is going to happen with stocks in this upcoming week? GameStop, AMC, Nokia, BlackBerry, Virgin Galactic, Sundial Growers, all of these stocks. What do you think is going to happen? Let me know in the comments below. You can see we're starting to get a little pump off of Doge. So it all depends on breaking this consolidation, breaking it to the upside, and breaking it with enough power that the shorties aren't going to be able to take it down. So anyways, guys, let me know. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, as we are going to be pumping out content constantly for you. Have an amazing day, guys.